Top 5 Best Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Gourmia French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 6-slice, FryForce 360 degrees. Crispy, golden fries without a single drop of oil. Welcome to the future of frying. The Gourmia French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers restaurant-quality results right on your countertop, and it's ideal for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone who refuses to sacrifice flavor for convenience. With its sleek black design and spacious 6-slice capacity, this powerhouse uses FryForce 360 degrees technology to circulate superheated air evenly. No more flipping halfway through. Unlike bulky single-function air fryers, this multitasker boasts a digital display and 17 smart presets for everything from roasting chicken to baking cookies. Reheat pizza? Crispier than delivery. Toast bagels? Perfectly even. The French doors open wide for easy access, minimizing heat loss. Sure, it takes up some counter space, but the versatility more than compensates. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to effortless, delicious meals, every time. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 31403 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy fries, golden toast, and bubbling pizza, without the guilt or grease. That's the magic of the Hamilton Beach 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo. Perfect for busy families, small kitchens, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. Unlike bulky countertop ovens, this sleek stainless steel powerhouse fits a 9-inch pizza and toasts 4 slices effortlessly, thanks to powerful convection airflow that circulates heat evenly. No more flipping halfway through or guessing doneness. Auto shutoff ensures safety and precision. Compare that to single-function air fryers or sluggish toasters, and the versatility shines. Whether you're reheating leftovers or baking a personal pie, it delivers satisfying crunch and even browning every time. Sure, it won't replace a full-sized oven for large roasts, but for everyday meals, it's a game-changer. Compact, efficient, and built to last, this combo appliance transforms how you cook, faster, healthier, and with zero compromise. Number 3. Cuisinart 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 NAS 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy, golden fries with zero oil. Sounds like magic, but it's the Cuisinart 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 NAS Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Perfect for busy home cooks, health-conscious families, or anyone tired of juggling 3 appliances for one meal. This sleek stainless steel powerhouse packs 1800 watts and 8 functions: air fry, convection bake, broil, warm, and more, into a compact 0.6 cubic feet. Unlike bulky air fryers that hog counter space, it replaces your toaster, oven, and air fryer. The 60-minute timer and precise temperature control deliver restaurant-quality results every time. Whether you're reheating pizza to crispy perfection or roasting veggies with caramelized edges, it's fast, efficient, and intuitive. One heads up, the interior is snug, so large roasts might need rotation. Upgrade your kitchen without the clutter. The 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 NAS doesn't just cook, it transforms how you eat, one guilt-free, flavorful bite at a time. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse 26QT French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's your countertop command center for crispy, golden perfection. With a massive 26-quart capacity and 24 cooking functions, Emeril Lagasse's French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo handles everything from whole chickens to delicate pastries with precision. Unlike clunky single-function air fryers, this stainless steel powerhouse replaces your toaster, convection oven, and dehydrator, all while delivering restaurant-quality results. The intuitive digital controls and 7 included accessories make switching from roasting to air frying seamless. Whether you're meal prepping for a family or hosting dinner guests, it saves time, space, and cleanup. Sure, its generous size demands premium counter real estate, and the learning curve for all 24 modes takes a few tries, but once you master it, pure kitchen magic. For home chefs who demand versatility without compromise, this is the upgrade that transforms everyday cooking into something extraordinary. Number 1. Ninja SP151 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This isn't just another countertop appliance, it's your kitchen's new command center. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo delivers crispy, golden results without the guilt, thanks to its powerful 1800-watt performance and 8-in-1 versatility. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality speed at home, it air fries, toasts, bakes, broils, and more, all in one sleek stainless steel unit. Unlike bulky rivals, it flips up and away, vanishing into your cabinet to reclaim precious counter space. Included are an air-fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and removable crumb tray, everything you need for mess-free cooking. From reheating pizza to roasting chicken, it handles it all with precision. Sure, it's compact, so large family roasts might need cooking, but for everyday efficiency and flavor, it's unmatched. Elevate your kitchen game without the clutter. Thanks for watching Best Toaster Oven Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.